Hello, in this video I want to show you how to sort by date in Google Spreadsheets. To do this, first you will need to have a valid date in your column like I have right here. The format should look like this. Then to actually filter them or sort them, however you pronounce it, we need to select all of the data or dates that we have, then click on the data right there, navigate to data validation, and then make sure that it counts sheet, for example 1 that I have right here, and it goes from the column B2 like I have to B5 like I have right here. You can customize it and just replicate this for your column. Then make sure that in criteria we have valid data. Click on done. Then we'll be able to select all of the data that we want to sort. Click on the data again and then sort by range, and you can go either from the earliest to furthest or from the furthest to earliest, and in this case we're gonna go with the latter. And as you can see, it goes from the last to the first. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.